To develop Java programs. In order to develop Java programs, what are the softwares required? From where we can download that softwares? After downloading, installing all the softwares, we can say like a setup. Java softwares setting up in our system. First and foremost one, what are the softwares required? Which softwares required? First and foremost one, JDK. You can call this as a Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. Some people are calling J2SE Development Kit. J2SE or Java. Java Development Kit or J2SE Development Kit. What is J2SE? J2SE Java 2 Standard Edition. J2SE stands for Java 2 Standard Edition. Java 2 Standard Edition. J2SE. This is the main core Java software to develop core Java programs. To develop core Java programs, JDK required. Java Development Kit, also called as J2SE Development Kit. J2SE stands for Java 2 Standard Edition. Second one, Edit Plus. It's a editor to compose the programs, to write the programs, to develop the programs. In order to compose the programs, developing a program, writing a program, we require one editor. I'm choosing Edit Plus as an editor. In order to type the programs, in order to type the programs, in order to develop the programs, compose the programs, program development purpose, one editor is required. We will be choosing that editor as a Edit Plus. Edit Plus is an editor to compose, to develop, to type programs. In order to type the programs, in order to develop the programs, Edit Plus. There is a IDE called Eclipse. Using Eclipse to develop a project in the beginning, using Eclipse to learn Java programs in the beginning, not recommended. The reason is Eclipse will be doing a lot of things internally. You will not be aware of whatever it is doing for you internally. Learners should know each and every step. That is why for 2 months I will not be using Edit Plus. 2 months we will go for Edit Plus only. After knowing each and every development step, after knowing each and every development process, then only we will be starting IDE kind of softwares, that is Eclipse or IntelliJ. In the beginning, we had to use Edit Plus only. For 3 months, we will be using Edit Plus to develop the programs. In order to develop the programs, we will be using Edit Plus in the beginning. The third software, WinRAR. You may be aware of zip file. Most of the people already knowing the zip file. Zip file is nothing but multiple files making as a one file through a compression. Multiple files or multiple folders. Multiple files or multiple folders compressing and making a single file in order to carry very easily. Instead of 100 files, managing one file is very simple. All 100 files you can compress, make it as a one file. That one file we can transfer to pen drive. That one file we can attach it to the mail. That one file we can send in the network. That one file we can upload to the cloud environment. One file managing is very simple compared to 100 files or 100 folders. Even to the Google Drive also, while uploading any multiple files, instead of uploading one by one multiple files, we will be making all files as a single zip file. That zip file we can upload to the Google Drive, we can attach to the mail, we can copy to the pen drive, we can send it to any network, any other device through network. Zip file. That zip file can be developed, can be extracted. Zip file should be unzipped to get the original files. In order to get the original files, you need to unzip. Zip file, zipping and unzipping can be done through a separate software. That software is a WinRAR. Nowadays, advanced version of the zip is a RAR. Advanced version of the zip is a RAR. Whatever you do with a zip, same we can do through RAR. You will be getting lot of additional features. Nowadays, we are not zipping multiple folders as a one file. We are making a RAR, multiple files, multiple folders, making as a RAR file. Same RAR file can be extracted. Same RAR file can be extracted to develop multiple files whichever you compressed as a one RAR file. WinRAR is used for compressing multiple files, making as a single file. Compressing multiple files, making as a single file. Single file. Compress the multiple files, make as a single file. After making a single file, how to extract, how to unzip, how to unrar. For that purpose also, we have to use WinRAR. WinRAR software is used for compressing or uncompressing. Multiple files compressing or compressed one uncompressing. Multiple files we can compress or compressed one we can uncompress. Compressed one we can uncompress. Multiple files compressing or compressed one we can uncompress. These are the three softwares required to develop a Hello World Java program. To develop a Hello World Java program, first Java software is required. This is the Java software. Java software. To type a program, we required edit plus. To type a program, we required edit plus. To compress or uncompress. Compressing and uncompressing, we required WinRAR. These three softwares, I'll show you how to download, how to install. So today, just downloading and installing all these three softwares we will see. Before that, let us see about the Windows Explorer. What is Windows Explorer? What it is containing? Lot of ways are there to open a Windows Explorer. Lot of ways are there to open a Windows Explorer. Go to Window key and E key. Left to Alt, there is a Window key. Left to Alt, there is a Window key. Window and E. Window key and E key. Window and E. Window key and E. Windows Explorer. Left to Alt, there is a Window key. Window with a E. Window with a E. Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer. In the Windows Explorer, you can find two sections. Left side where drives are there. Right side, drive information is there. You can see the left side, operating system, one drive, one more drive. Please observe this PC. Under this PC, C drive, D drive, E drive. Generally, system will have a 3 drives, but sometimes there may be 2 drives, there may be even 1 drive, there may be 4 drives, 5 drives. While installing operating system, you can choose how many drives you are looking. In the left side, Windows frame, left side drives frame. All the drives are listed. In the right side, whenever you select any drive, the drive information, the members of the drive. There may be 1 drive only, there may be 2 drives, there may be 3 drives, there may be 4 drives, any number of drives will be. Generally, 3 drives are recommended. But even 1 drive or 2 drives also absolutely you can go ahead. Generally, 3 drives are recommended. 1 and 2, 3 also, 1 and 2, 3 also possible. Let us consider 3 drives are there. Allocate 1 drive for the operating system, don't do anything in that drive. Assume 3 drives you have. Allocate 1 drive for the operating system. Allocate 1 drive for the operating system. Don't do anything inside that drive. In my system, 3 drives are there. I allocated C drive for the operating system. Then go to the other drive. In the D drive, I will be downloading and installing all the softwares. D drive, I will be allocating for downloads and installations. D drive, downloads and installations. Whatever softwares we are downloading, all we will be downloading into D drive, even installations also in the D drive. Let's move to the E drive. All developments, programs, projects, products, every development I'll be doing in the E drive. All the developments I'll be taking care in the E drive. Every development I'll be taking care in the E drive. Generally better to have a 3 drives. If you have 1 drive also, you can just create other 2 folders in the same drive. 1 folder for downloads, 1 folder for installations, 1 folder for development. It is purely up to you. If only 1 drive is there, create the folders. If 3 drives are there, then 1 drive for the operating system, 1 drive for downloads and installations, 1 drive for development. Generally, almost all operating system installers, they're creating 3 drives while installing operating system. But especially in the company laptops, there will be only 1 drive. If only 1 drive is there where operating system is there, then controlling security will be more proper. Achieving security highly possible. Only for the company laptops there will be one drive. In the personal laptops, recommended 3 drives. Assume you are using company laptop, then in the C drive, you can create 2 folders, one for downloads and installations, other for development. In my system, 3 drives are there. I'm going to the D drive. For downloading purpose, I'll create one folder. Please observe, in the D drive, in the D drive, I'll create one folder. In the D drive, I'm creating one folder. That folder name, let us consider November-softwares, SW. Whenever you are creating a folder, don't choose any space in the folder name. Don't choose any space in the folder name. And also, don't choose any uppercase alphabets in the folder name. It's a convention to be followed. If at all folder containing 2 words, give a hyphen as a separator. Don't go for space as a separator. From today onwards, try avoiding space in the names of the folders, in the names of the files. Java environment will not be supporting space in the folder name, space in the file name. Whenever you are keeping a space in the folder name, space in the file name, you will be getting different results. Most of the times, you will not be able to compile and run. From today onwards, while creating a folder, if 2 words are there in the folder name, give a hyphen as a separator. If 2 words are there in the folder name, give a hyphen as a separator. If 2 words are there in the file name, give a hyphen as a separator. Please observe. Go inside November SW. Try downloading all the softwares into this folder. Not only these 3 specified softwares. In down the line, we will be downloading Eclipse. We will be downloading Tomcat. We will be downloading JBoss, Oracle, Maven Base, with lot more softwares we will be downloading. All the softwares we will download into one common area, common location, common folder, so that whenever you want to refer any of the software, directly you can go to that folder and you can check it out, which version of software you downloaded, which software you have downloaded. So whether you wanted to reinstall or not, everything you can have a clear control. Most of the people, while downloading, they are not taking the seriousness. They are not controlling all download files. All download files should be in one location, especially software downloads. Java full stack having several softwares. We need to install one by one. While starting Eclipse, I'll be downloading Eclipse. While starting Tomcat, I'll be downloading Tomcat. While starting JBoss, I'll be downloading JBoss. While starting SQL, I'll be downloading Oracle. Likewise, totally 12 softwares we will be using in the span of 6 months. Every software is very much required while developing a project. For the project development, especially for the full stack developer, both client-side technologies, server-side technologies, both we should have a commanding. Client-side softwares, JavaScript and Angular, Bootstrap, Node. These all we will be downloading into the downloads folder, softwares folder. In the backend, Eclipse, Core Java, Spring Boot, lot of dependencies related to Maven, all will be downloading into the proper location to avoid a confusion in the future. We identified what are the softwares we have to download. We also identified one folder to download, where we had to download folder also. Folder is ready and we identified three softwares. Now, one small configuration is required in the in the Google Chrome. A small configuration is required in the Google Chrome before downloading. Let me show what is the configuration. This option, one-time configuration in the Google Chrome for best way of downloads. For downloading purpose, there is a small configuration. Most of the people already done that configuration. Still, I'll show you. If at all that configuration is not done in your system, try doing that for the better downloading purpose. Open Google Chrome. In the Google Chrome, right top, there are three vertical dots. Right top, there are three vertical dots. Right top, there are three vertical dots. Right top. Right top, there are three vertical dots. Right top, there are three vertical dots. Click on that and go to the settings. Click on settings. Click on settings. Under settings, in the left side, you can see downloads. If you are not finding downloads, go to advanced, then downloads. Click on downloads. After clicking on downloads, downloads, you can just check it out whether this radio button is selected or not. This radio button should be selected. If at all it is disabled, not selected, then all downloads will be downloading into downloads folder. You have to ask Google Chrome to ask the location for every download. Google Chrome should ask you the location for every download. If you enable this, then Google Chrome will be asking the location for every download. You can see the description provided to this radio button. Ask where to save each file before downloading. Ask where to save each file before downloading. Ask where to save each file before downloading. If it is enabled, then for every download, Google Chrome will be asking the location for you. Google Chrome will be asking the location. Google Chrome is asking the location. Everybody enable this radio button. Enable this radio button. I'll show you once again. Right top, three vertical dots, settings. Under settings, you can see the downloads. Downloads. Under downloads, you can see ask to where to save each file for downloading. Ask where to save each file before downloading. Ask where to save each file before downloading. Before downloading. Enabled. Now we are ready to download all three softwares. We provided the settings in the Google Chrome also. Let us start downloading one by one. JDK software. Open the browser. Go to oracle.com. Go to oracle.com. Press enter. Oracle.com. Whenever you go to oracle.com, automatically one header will be coming in the top. This black color header. So we don't require this black color header. Please close this black color header. You can see there is a close button in the black section. Close it. After closing, come down, down. Yeah. Not down, go to the products. There is a products in the top header. Click on products. You can see the products. Under products, you come down, you can see hardware and softwares. Click on products. Click on hardware and software. Click on Java. Under hardware and software, you can find Java. Then click on download Java. There is a download Java. Click on download Java. You can find Java downloads. Come to the bottom. You can see Java 19, Java 17. Go to the Java 19. By default, Java 19 only selected. Click on Java 19. Under Java 19, you can see 3 operating systems. By default, Linux is selected. Go to the Windows. Select Windows. Please observe Java 19 underscore, sorry, underline. Windows also underline. Windows underline. Under Windows, first one, compressed archive. This is the zip file. Compressed archive. Compressed archives are advisable rather than installers. We will go for compressed archives. Try downloading compressed archive rather than installers. Compressed archives are very easy to handle, and also you won't get any kind of errors. If it is an installer, there may be a chance of getting some kind of Windows based errors. Some installers might be looking for a particular component in the Windows. If that is not there, installation may not be happening. So installers are not recommended if at all compressed archive is available. If there is no compressed archive, then only go for installer. So JDK providing both compressed and installer. That is why go for compressed archive. You can see the size of compressed archive close to 180. Afterwards, download link is there. There are 2 links over here. One is a main download link. Another is a SHA-256. This is not the link. So main download link is this. Main download link. Not the SHA. SHA is specific to a kind of Maven configuration. We don't require that one. So go for downloads. So click on this link. Wherever my mouse is there, click on that particular location. Click on this. Download started. Google Chrome is asking the location. As we enabled the radio button, for every download, it will ask the location. Any kind of software downloading, even while downloading YouTube video or any materials or anything from the internet, it will be asking the location. We created a folder in the D drive. We already created one folder in the D drive. folder in the D drive. So go to the D drive. Select the folder November SW. November SW. Go inside. November SW. Then click on save. Definitely it takes 5 to 10 minutes. JDK software downloaded. Also you can observe left side one tab is there. For every download in the bottom left side one tab will be created. Bottom left side one tab will be created. Bottom left side one tab is created. Go to the second download. Edit Plus. So please enter editplus.com. Editplus.com. Present it. Go to the download edit place. Download edit place. You can see. Download edit place. Again you have to go for download edit place. You can see. Download edit place. Click on this. Check whether Rahul came or not. Rahul. Choose the same location. Choose the same location. It's very simple. It won't take more than 5 seconds to download. Again, in the bottom, one tab will be created. One tab created in the bottom left. Edit Place downloading is very simple. It's a simple software. Downloading of Edit Place, it won't take more than 5 seconds. Simple software. Edit Place got downloaded. Come to the WinRAR. win-rar.com. Everybody, win-rar.com. win-rar.com. Click on download WinRAR. Click on download WinRAR. Not buy, download. Now come little down. Once again you can see download WinRAR. Download WinRAR. Same location you can choose. Let it download to the same location. All three softwares downloaded. You can see left side 3 tabs. One observation. All 3 tabs having a up arrow. If you select any one up arrow, you can see show in folder. Directly you can go to the folder where downloaded software is available. Show in folder. All 3 softwares. Downloading got over. 3 softwares downloading completely got over. All 3 softwares downloading completely got over. Let us see installation. Before installing any software, everybody, before installing any software, you need to uninstall if at all it is already available. Before installing any software, you need to uninstall. There may be a chance of previous version of the software in your system. Either you installed earlier, or maybe your seniors might have installed, your family members might have installed. There may be a chance of same type of software already. Before installing any software, check it out whether it is already available or not. Either same version or previous versions. Definitely there may be a chance. Why? Because we are keep on using same laptop. Sometimes we may be installed, we might have forgotten. Sometimes our seniors might have used or our family members might have used, they might have downloaded, they might have installed. So first and foremost one, let us see all these 3 softwares and installation if at all available. In my system all 3 are available. I didn't install before starting the class. I thought of showing even uninstallation procedure also to everybody. Everybody should know uninstallation procedure. Uninstallation means removing the software systematically. Removing the software systematically from the system. Come to the left bottom, type here to search. Come to the left bottom, type here to search. Left bottom, type here to search. Left bottom, type here to search. So type add or remove. Add or. While typing add, automatically you are getting add or remove programs. Add or remove programs. In the add or remove programs, all the softwares it will be showing whichever installed in your system. Whichever softwares installed in your system, all will be showing. By any chance, JDK, JRE, J2SE, J2SRE, anything related to Java, if it is there, select and remove. By any chance, Java or JDK or J2SE, any software with a Java name, J2SE name, JDK name, Java, JDK, J2SE, Java, JDK, J2SE. Java, JDK, J2SE. If any softwares are there, select and remove. In my system, no Java based softwares here. I did not install Java based software. I used compressed version. For the compressed version, we will not be getting any entry over here. In your system, there may be Java installer kind of software. If Java installer kind of software, then you can find one entry over here. If you find any Java or JDK or J2SE or J2RE, you can select and remove. In my system, Edit Plus is there. Let me show how to uninstall Edit Plus. Select the Edit Plus, click on uninstall. Uninstall. Click on yes. Click on yes. Click on yes. Click OK. Edit Plus is completely removed. Edit Plus is completely removed. Similarly, in your system, whatever Java based, whatever JRE based, whatever JDK based, all you can select and remove. In my system, no Java and JDK. The reason is I did not install installer of JDK. I have used compressed version of JDK. Your seniors, your family members might have used installer version of JDK. If installer version of JDK is installed, then you can find the entry over here. You can see WinRAR. In my system, WinRAR is there. I'm removing. Click on uninstall WinRAR. Click on yes. Click on yes. Click OK. By any chance, JDK, JRE, Java, if anything is there, select and remove. So in my system, Edit Plus is removed, WinRAR is removed, but Java, I did not use installer version, I used a compressed version. For the compressed version, I updated a path that should be removed. Java related path is updated. Java related path is updated. That should be removed. Path should be removed. Java related path should be removed. Java related path should be removed. So for that purpose, everybody go to the Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer. In the Windows Explorer, you can see this PC in the left side frame. This PC in the left side frame. Everybody right click on this PC. Right click on this PC. Go to properties. Right click on this PC, go to properties. Right click on this PC, go to properties, go to properties. Come little down, either down or in the right side, you can see advanced system settings. Either right side or in the bottom. Either right side or in the bottom. Either right side or in the bottom. Advanced system settings. Click on this. Under advanced system settings, you can find environment variables. You can find environment variables. Environment variables. In the top section, you can see path. In all the systems, there will be a path in the top section. Path. Path in the top section. Select it and click on edit. Click on edit. You may be finding some entries. If any Java based entry is there, select and remove. Here also, your seniors or family members or you yourself might have updated. If any Java based bin folder, if any JDK or Java based bin folder is updated, select and remove. If any Java based or JDK based, select and then delete. There is a delete button. Don't delete all. Whichever is Java based bin or JDK based bin. If you are confirming like this is a Java bin folder or JDK bin folder, select and remove. Now click OK in all the windows. In every window you have to click OK. In every window click OK. Don't go for cancel. That's all. Even Java based configuration also removed from my system. Now my system doesn't have any Java based 3 identified softwares. These 3 softwares completely removed from my system. Now let us see installing all these 3 softwares. Installing all these 3 softwares. First we'll go for WinRAR. WinRAR and EditPlace both are simple to install. Let us see WinRAR installation. Go to the Windows Explorer, Window key and E key. Go to the D drive. Go to the November softwares. D drive, November softwares. Now you can see the JDK how it is displaying. It's almost a kind of folder. After installing WinRAR, you can see the different folder, different icon for the JDK. So please observe, JDK icon, it's almost close to folder now. JDK icon, it's almost close to folder. Come to the WinRAR. Double click on WinRAR. Everybody, no need of doing any changes, just double click. Click on yes. Click on install. Click on install. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on done. Once you click on done, automatically one Windows Explorer will be opening. You can close this one. One simple Windows Explorer opened. Close it. Now you can observe how JDK is displaying. Earlier it was displaying like a folder kind. Now it is displaying as a WinRAR symbol. JDK is a compressed one. Compressed one. That compressed one should be displayed with the icon of WinRAR. With the icon of WinRAR. Compressed one with the icon of WinRAR. So WinRAR is installed. Go to the edit place. Double click on edit place. Double click on edit place. Click on accept. Click on yes. Click on start to copy. Don't do any changes. Click on OK. That's all. Edit place also got installed. Edit place also got installed. Guys, Edit Plus also installed. Third one is JDK. It is not an installer. JDK, we did not download installer. We downloaded compressed one. There is no installation step here. Compressed one should be uncompressed. To uncompress a compressed one, we required a WinRAR. We already installed a WinRAR. WinRAR is with us. It's already installed. JDK is a compressed one. JDK is a compressed one. Right click on this compressed one. Everybody. Right click on compressed one. Right click on compressed one. Click on this. Extract to. Select extract to. Right click. Select extract to. There will be extract to with 19 JDK 19 Windows. If you are not finding extract to, you can go for open with WinRAR. If you are not finding extract to, then go to open with WinRAR. After selecting WinRAR, you have to go for extract to. Either you can select extract to directly here if it is finding. In some systems, it is not displaying over here. Go to open with WinRAR. After selecting WinRAR, you can go for extract to. Select WinRAR. Now you can click on extract to. There is extract to. Click on extract to. Don't change the directory path, destination path. Just to click OK. Don't change anything. Extract to. Don't change any path. By default, it is choosing the same location. Click OK. Now close this window. You can see the folder. I'll show you once again. I'm removing this folder. Right click on JDK bin. Right click on JDK bin. JDK bin. Go to straight away extract to. This is one option. This option may not be displaying in all the systems. So open with WinRAR. Then go to extract to. Click on extract to. Click on extract to. Then click OK. We'll see afterwards. Automatically one folder created. This is the extracted bundle, unzipped bundle, unzipped folder, unrar folder. This folder containing the complete compressed content, whatever compressed content is there in the downloaded compressed folder, that content is extracted into this folder. Go inside this folder. There is a JDK-1901. Observe one point. No spaces in this folder. Wherever two words are there, JDK is a one word, 19.0.1, that is a version, another word. Hyphen they have given, not the space. From today onwards, any folder while creating, even for your personal purpose while creating a folder, don't give a space, mention the hyphen. And also, don't give any uppercase letters in the folder name. Uppercase letters. You can see no folder having any letter in the uppercase. Go inside JDK 19, several folders are there. All folders with lowercase. This is what the convention you had to follow in throughout. In throughout. In throughout project development, you have to follow this. So please observe, this is our downloaded folder. JDK extracted into this folder. Go inside this. This is the another folder. Go inside. Several folders are there. Among all the folders, bin folder is very important. Bin stands for binary. Bin stands for binary. Binary. Go inside a bin folder. There are several files in the bin folder. There are several files in the bin folder. Come little down. Java and Java C. These two are the very essential files, very important files. Both are command files. Java C and Java both are command files. These two files we had to use. These two files we had to use in every Java program development. While developing any Java program, we had to use these two files. Java, Java C. Java, Java C. Java and Java C. Java and Java C. Java and Java C. Java C and Java. These two are the command files. Command files. By using these two files only, we can compile and run. Java C stands for Java compiler. Java C stands for Java compiler. Java compiler. Java C stands for Java compiler. Java compiler. Java C stands for Java compiler. Java compiler. So we need to compile and run the program. To compile and run the program, we need to use Java C and Java. These two are the command files. Both are available in the bin folder of JDK extracted bundle. JDK extracted bundle. Everybody, we should compile, we should run every program. To compile, use Java C. To run, use Java command. Where are both the commands? Both are there in the bin folder. In the bin folder, Java C command and Java command. These command files we should run from the command prompt. The command files we should run from the command prompt. Please observe. Why do we require these command files? To compile and run the program. After developing a program, you cannot use that program directly. First, you need to compile. After compilation, you need to run. In any programming language, most of the programming languages, in some programming languages, directly you can able to run. But in most of the programming languages, you need to compile, then you need to run. Compile means it verifies the syntax. We are the human beings, we may commit a mistake. Compilation. Once a compilation success, then running. You'll be knowing more about compilation later. After compilation, we need to run. Now today, let us see how to run these two commands. How we can run these two commands. To run these two commands, we require a command prompt. All commands should run from the command prompt. Every command should run from the command prompt. Every command should run from the command prompt. This option. All the commands we should run from the command prompt. Every command should run from the command prompt. Let's open the command prompt. Lot of ways are there to open the command prompt. Lot of ways are there to open the command prompt. Let us see simple approach, everybody. This is the address bar. Select the address bar. After reaching to bin folder, select the address bar. Windows Explorer also having an address bar to display path of the current location. Not only browser, even Windows Explorer also having an address bar to specify path of the current folder. The current folder is a bin folder. That bin folder detailed location specified in the address bar. Detailed location specified in the address bar. Now type CMD. CMD. Type CMD in the address bar. Selected address bar. In the address bar, whatever you selected, there CMD. CMD stands for command. 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 Command prompt can be opened through CMD. Press enter. Type CMD, press enter. Are you getting a window like this? You may be getting a window with a background color as a black. I just modified background color. Just observe the path. D colon November SW JDK 19 underscore Windows x64 bin, then JDK 1901 slash bin. In this location only Java C available. In this location only Java also available. In this particular location Java C command available. Everybody please follow me. Type Java C in the lower case. Type Java C in the lower case. Java C space Java C space. Java C space hyphen version together. Java C space hyphen version together. Java C space hyphen version together. Hyphen version together. presented. Command ran very successfully. It showed the version of our current Java in our system. Java C ran very successfully. Similarly, go for Java space hyphen version, Java space hyphen version presented. You got 3 lines of the output, detailed information about the Java version. We are able to run these 2 commands very successfully. We are able to run these 2 commands very successfully. Running the commands very successfully. Java C space hyphen version, Java space hyphen version. You can just to mention dir to see current directory members. dir to see current directory members. Our current directory is a bin folder. Bin folder. It is containing lot of files. It is containing lot of files. All the files are displayed. All the files are displaying. Press enter to see all the files. You can see java.exe, javac.exe. These 2 files we ran. Both are executable files. Executable file, also a command file. Current directory content, it is showing through dir. dir. Now, come to the bottom, go for cls. cls, clearing the window. To clear the window, Java C command available in the current location. You can run. Java command also available in the current location. You can able to run. Java C command available in the current location. Java command also available in the current location. To see the current location members, current directory members of the current directory, use dir command. Java C and Java both are available. That is why we are able to run. For the CLS, there is a cd command. A cd stands for change directory. Change directory. cd command, change directory, cd command, change directory. Press enter, sorry, cd space dot dot, cd space, space dot dot. Dot dot represents parent to the current directory. Dot dot represents parent to the current directory. Dot dot represents parent to the current directory. Any doubt? Press enter. It is moving to the JDK 1901. Earlier it was there in the bin folder. You can see the current location. Earlier it was in the bin folder. Now it is in the JDK 1901. CD space data. Now trigger dir. Trigger dir. Press enter. In the current directory, bin folder is there, conf is there, include jmodes, legal lib, license, readme, release bytes free. There is no javac command in the current directory. In the current directory, there is no javac command. In the current directory, there is no javac command. No javac command in the current directory. You cannot trigger javac command now. Trigger javac. You will be getting an error. Are you getting an error? javac is not recognized as an internal, external, operable batch. You cannot trigger Java command as well. So what you observe, by default, any command we can run only from the place where command is available. By default, we can run the command from the place where command is available. In the current location, javac command not available. In the current location, our current location is JDK 1901. In the JDK 1901, javac not available. We are not able to run. So do one thing, cd space bin, change directory to the bin. Everybody, cd space bin. We are again going back to bin folder. We are again going back to bin folder. We are again going back to bin folder. Now, in the dir, you can see Java, C and Java. dir, Java, C and Java. Clear the console. Check what is the current directory. It's a bin folder. In the bin folder only Java, C and Java available. Trigger Java, C space hyphen version. Java space hyphen version. What you observe, what you understood. Again for experimenting purpose, come back. CD space dot dot. You cannot trigger Java C. You cannot trigger Java. Done everybody? So let me show one more time. Close this command prompt. Close the command prompt. This is the command prompt. Some people are calling as a command window or command prompt. In the Windows Explorer, we are able to see Java command and Java C command. Let me close this also. Close this window. I'm closing this also. We understood these three softwares. First and foremost one, please follow me. Window key and E key. Window key and E key. Go to the D drive. Wherever softwares folder is there. Go to the D drive. Wherever softwares folder is there. November batch. SW. November SW. Go inside. Go inside a JDK extracted bundle. Go inside a JDK software folder. You can see the bin folder. Bin stands for binary. Inside a bin folder, go inside. This is the location where Java C command and Java command available. Java C and Java. Java C command and Java command. Java C command and Java command. Java C command and Java command. This is the location. Now select the address bar through a shortcut Alt D, Alt D, D for Delhi, Alt D. Automatically address bar selected. Type CMD, CMD. Press enter. Type CMD, press enter. Now the current location containing Java C command. Trigger Java C with a version. Java C space version. Java space hyphen version. Done everybody? We are able to run any command from the current directory. We are able to run any command from the current directory. That is the location where command is available. If you just go one step back, you cannot trigger. By default not possible. There is a way. By default not possible. By default not possible, but there is a way. By default not possible, but there is a way, there is a way. By default not possible, but there is a way. Go one more step back. Even from here also, you cannot trigger Java C and Java. The main observation is, any command we can run only from the current location of the command. We cannot run from outside by default, but there is a way. By default, we cannot run command of one directory in another directory. Command of one directory in another directory. We can run only from the current directory. We can run only from the current directory. We cannot run from other location. So for example purpose, assume D drive. D colon represents a D drive. D colon represents a D drive. Inside a D drive, let us consider there is a folder with a name as ABC. Assume. Inside this folder, there is a command with a name as a test. You can also keep exe. In the same D drive, there is another folder with a name as XYZ. I want to run test.exe from the XYZ. By default, not possible. Assume it is a command prompt. In the command prompt, d:/ABC, you can run test.exe. You will be getting a success message. Assume in the same command prompt, D drive XYZ folder. From the XYZ folder, I am running test.exe. You will be getting error. So what is the observation? Any command, we should run only from the current location of that command. While running from another location, you will be getting an error by default. But there is a way. You need to give a configuration. There is a configuration step. Once you give that configuration step, then only you can able to run a particular command from anywhere in the command prompt. Not only from the D drive, even from the C drive, E drive, F drive, whatever available in entire system, we can able to run a command once we do the configuration. Without configuration, we can run any command only from the current location. Without configuration, any command we can run only from the current location. By configuring, we can able to run the command from any location. There is a configuration step, path. It's one of the environment variable. If you configure this path, then you can able to run a particular command from anywhere from the command prompt. Once you update a path, then you can able to run the command from anywhere from the command prompt. This path updation I'll show you in the next class. Whatever we have seen in the current class, like a downloads, uninstallation, installation, running Java C command and Java command from the current folder, experiment again and again. You need to uninstall and install at least 3-4 times. You have to become very comfortable. Through this, you'll be getting more confidence. You will not be scaring about the softwares and systems. You will be feeling like everything is simple. Most of the people, even after 2-3 years experience also, they are fearing to do something in the system. They will be thinking like, oh, something might go wrong if I modify some statement. That should not be. Software engineer should play around with the system. Whatever mistakes he getting, he should know the procedure for rectifying. That is why try doing uninstallation and installation again and again. In the next class, I'll show you path usage. Running a command from different locations. Updating a path. Multiple ways of path updation is there. We will see clearly in the next class. That's all for now. Enjoy, Karo. All the very best. We'll see in the next class.